Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to make a delicious one-pot pasta. In case you guys want to know how to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Okay, so we're going to begin by grabbing our pot. We're going to set it on medium heat and we're going to add a little bit of oil. So we're just going to wait for it to heat up. Okay, so once the oil heats up, we're going to add half of a white onion and half of a bell pepper. Now we're just going to saute for 3 minutes. Okay, so after 3 minutes, we're going to add 1 pound of lean ground beef. And we're going to season our meat with 2 garlic cloves, 2 teaspoons of garlic salt, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, and 1 teaspoon of ground cumin. And now we're just going to cook our meat for about 6 minutes. Okay, so after 6 minutes, we're going to add a couple dashes of magi seasoning. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, 10 ounces of diced tomatoes and green chiles. Just make sure that you drain them, and half a cup of sour cream. So now we're just going to mix everything together. We're going to add 3 cups of beef broth, along with 8 ounces of pasta. And I'm using shells. So just mix everything together. And we're going to bring it to a simmer. Okay, so once it comes to a simmer, you want to try it for salt and see if you want to add any more. I forgot to add black pepper, so I'm just going to add a little bit of that. Okay, so that should be good. So now we're just going to reduce the heat to low setting. We're going to cover it and let that cook for 5 minutes. Okay, so after 5 minutes, we're going to open our pot. We're going to mix it. Just make sure that it doesn't get stuck to the bottom of our pot. Okay, so now we're just going to cover it again and allow it to continue cooking for another 5 minutes. Okay, so after 5 minutes, our pasta should be done. So we're just going to mix it, and of course, just make sure that your pasta is nice and soft. So at this point, we're going to turn it off. And now we're going to add about 3 cups of cheese. And of course, you can add as much as you want. So just going to mix it. Okay, so now we're just going to allow the cheese to melt, and then we can get ready for the fun part. Alrighty guys, and now for the fun part, serving. So I just like to top my pasta with a little bit of cilantro, but of course, you know, my kids don't like cilantro, so I just give it to them like that. You can also add some avocado to the side, but just let me tell you that just like that, it's seriously super delicious. So now we are ready to enjoy our delicious one-pot taco pasta. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that this meal, it's seriously quick, easy, and super delicious. Especially, it's perfect right now. The kids are about to come out, you know, on summer vacation. So I hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. So flavorful, so creamy, so cheesy. I love cheese, so for me this is just seriously the best. But of course, if you don't like that much cheese, just add a little bit less. It's seriously so flavorful, so good. So creamy. And the best part is that in one pot, under 20 minutes. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how to make a delicious one-pot pasta. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.